Hi everybody, I'm here Prasad. Now I'm going to discuss DA, Design and Analysis of Algorithms. I will show with a cursor. Long answer questions as well as short answers questions also. Mostly 99% from this only you will get in your question paper. First unit, first chapter is Introduction of Design and Analysis of Algorithms. Second chapter title is Divide and Conquer. See here, divide and conquer. This is one of the technique or method to design algorithms. Essay and long answer questions we will start. What are asymptotic and symbolic notations, or you will get in your questions paper as mathematical notations, or directly you will get like big O notation, omega notation and theta notation. These are types of notations, right? That you will get. This question was asked in August 2022 and also May 2019 paper, right? And second question is write and explain quick sort algorithm with examples. Every time you will ask examples, you will twist the question. Don't confuse. Catch one word here. I underlined quick sort algorithm. By seeing that, you can understand the question, right? Don't confuse. So this was asked in August 2022. See here, August 2022 this question, and May 2019 also this was asked, and last year July 2023 also this question was asked. So mostly this time may not ask this question, right? We have quick sort, meg sort and Strassen's matrix multiplication and binary search. Out of these four from the first unit second chapter you will be getting one question compulsory. See, I will show you the syllabus also. See, these are first unit all essay questions, and this is the syllabus. Mostly, you won't go out of the syllabus. jntuh question paper won't go 99%, 98, 95 to 98% from the syllabus only. Only 5 to 2% may get outside questions and out of syllabus questions. Twisted questions may get. Here introduction, algorithms, towers of NI, right? Performance analysis. This is recurrence problem is comes under towers of NI. In performance, time complexity will be there and space complexity. And asymptotic notations, big O notation, omega notation, theta notation and little o notation. And the previous year this question, this topic is the randomized algorithms. That scientist name is Las Vegas algorithm, right? This video also I have shooted from all units, all scientists named algorithms. So from that also you will get most of the questions. In first unit second chapter divide and conquer, general method means introduction of divide and conquer and its applications, uses, implementations, binary sort, quick sort, merge sort and Strassen's matrix multiplication. So out of these three you will get one question compulsory. So you won't go out of the syllabus. This is the syllabus. I wrote syllabus also, and now first unit questions also I write all the questions. So 95 to 98% you will get from this only, up to 99 my guess. So third one, write and explain randomized algorithms. Nothing but Las Vegas. See here I wrote the cursor. I will show you Las Vegas algorithm. This was came in August 2021 and May 2019. And fourth question discuss about omega, big O and theta notations with examples. This question and see I wrote here first two question are same. Write about asymptotic notation, or see here mathematical notation means this only. Fourth one and first one are same. And fifth question using merge sort, sort, merge sort means arranging following elements. See, mostly in DA question paper you will get like this: numbers, problems and diagrams. Most of the things you will get so many things like this. So I have shooted this also, and I will show you the video links also. I'll made it into playlist. important scientist name algorithms also I made it into playlist. And sixth question, and this question was asked in August 2021. I have gathered all previous question papers and all-in-one questions, and I wrote everything here for your simplification, preparation, easy preparation purpose. Mostly 98% you will get from these questions only. 98 to 99% you will get from this only. Right? Prepare very well. This important question is for toppers and average students and below average students also. For dull students also, this was very, very important. Prepare from every unit 5 questions, then start preparing next to 5 units question. Like that, 5 units 20, prepare 25 questions. Dull students will easily get more than first class. For toppers, prepare all the questions. Now, sixth question is analyze the computing time complexity. I will remove this. Right, time complexity of binary search algorithm. Right, and the next question, this was asked in August 2021. Seventh question asked in October 2020. See with a cursor I am explaining. I hope you can see the cursor, or else I will show you with marker also. October 2020. Explain general method divide and conquer, means define divide and conquer, explain it with examples. And eighth question, October 2020 only. Write an algorithm for Strachan's matrix multiplication. Most of videos I have already shooted. The answer videos of these questions, most of the videos I have shooted. Up to a 90% I have shooted. 10% is remaining. I will try to shoot for this year. For the juniors, mostly I will shoot all the other videos also. And question paper, 50% questions will be easy for every student if you prepare well, and 30% will be for average students, and 20% question paper will be toppers also. Those 20% will be tough. So 50% you will get easily more than 50% of marks easily. You will get more than first class if you prepare well, just like a horse. Not don't work like a donkey, work like a horse. Prepare essay questions and short question I have already prepared for you, and take printout for this and prepare smart work. 5 units from every unit, and afterwards, after completion of 25 questions, you go for other 3 questions, essay questions. So you will cover 40 essay questions from each unit, from total units. So you will definitely get more than first class. These are my tips. Watch till the end. I will show you. I will tell you so many tips and tricks at the end also. In middle also I will tell you the questions, confusing question. 99% from this only you will get. Right? Now eighth question, write an algorithm for Strachan's matrix multiplication. The complexity of your algorithm you need to write. See, these are hammering in the question paper for confusing the student. Don't get confused. Just see Strachan's matrix multiplication. So write that one. Sometimes matrix problem also you will ask. Don't get panic. You will, by seeing Strachan's matrix multiplication, write the question. October 2020, that's what asked. Explain the performance analysis of an algorithm. So this is nothing but speed. See, I will show you. This same question was asked here also. 15th question. What is performance analysis? With a neat sketch diagram, explain various asymptotic notations. Same previous question only. Right, time complexity, space complexity also add for performance analysis. Performance means speed of an algorithm. Right, I have already shooted videos for that. I will show you. And 10th, explain the principle of binary search with examples. So binary search, this is direct question. What is a recursion? Explain with example. This is nothing but towers of NI. Recursion. Define an algorithm. Describe the characteristics of an algorithm. So this also I have shooted. Explain Las Vegas algorithm for repeating array. Randomized algorithm. Randomized algorithm I need to shoot this Las Vegas. I will try to shoot that one. And write a non-recursive algorithm for Fibonacci series. This you need to write the algorithm Fibonacci series, right? Step by step algorithm for Fibonacci series. Then what is performance analysis? This is time complexity and space. I wrote here time complexity and space complexity. This was asked last year, July 2020, 23. And the previous question was all in one important question. All in one. Model paper first question, model paper second, model paper. MP means model paper. See here. I wrote model paper 2, model paper 3, model paper 3. And July 2023. Last year question this was. Okay. And write an algorithm to solve towers of NI with a recursion problem. Some of the questions are already repeated. So now we will see the first unit answer videos. Before that we will also see the short marks questions. These are short marks questions. For toppers, prepare everything, right? See, I wrote here title. Same, design and analysis of algorithm. Short marks questions. Those are define algorithm, explain characteristics of an algorithm, what are the advantages of and disadvantages of binary search, right? These are indirect questions. Sometimes this was asked in the important questions. And give an algorithm to solve towers of Ni. For towers of Ni, this is algorithm already shooted. Say most of the times we will get short questions from the essay questions also, essay questions in the short questions also, right? So write according to marks. So for our 18 students, you have 25 marks for short marks questions, and 50 questions essay marks, total 75. So from this you will get 2 marks and 3 marks. 2 marks questions will be 5. So 5 into 2, 20, and 3 marks questions are 5. Those are 15. So total 25 questions, right? I will show you some previous questions also. Now define algorithm for towers of Ni. Say underline the keywords time complexity and space complexity, formulas and differences. This already shooted video. What is randomized algorithm? Las Vegas. This I need to shoot. And this was also given in the essay question. See, I wrote here. Third question and 15th essay question, 6th question. Same this short marks question is there in the essay question also. Time complexity for the quick sort. And best average worst case you need to write. For quick sort we need to write best case, average case and worst case for the time complexity. You need to write the time complexity formula, you need to explain the quick sort algorithm, and you need to compare. Then write and define divide and conquer. You need to define divide and conquer, right? First unit second chapter direct question. Then here a priori analysis and posteriori measurement. See, this question was out of syllabus actually. I have not suited this one. So I wrote every question which I have not suited also I have written here. That's why I'm telling 99% from this only you will get the question in your question paper. And last short marks question is write the recursion relation of factorial of a number or algorithm. You need to write factorial of the given number, right? These are 9 short marks questions and 16. I wrote 16 here, 16 essay question. Some are repeated, and this is the syllabus, right? And we will see the answers. For that you just open the YouTube, and here type as Prasad sir and click on my face, and this is my thumbnail, poster, flexi, playlist. Go to playlist. See here I made it into DAA-Unit-Wise all scientist named algorithms. Here 12 are there, right? And exam tips, and these are unit 1 questions. See, I made the phone into horizontal so that you can see the big view. Previously for scientist questions I made the recording in vertical. So this criteria of an algorithm and introduction, see here, that is there. This question also asked, and this was overview of DAA. So only 7 minutes is there. My videos are very less time, so we need not to do research on any subject, no. So my videos timings are very less. This exam time you need to watch less time videos and understand the concept. See, towers of NI only 4 minutes, and performance 4 minutes, binary search 6 minutes, and merge sort 5 minutes. Merge sort algorithm very important. All are here. Overall important questions I have shooted long back. Now I am going to shoot unit wise. So this is just a definition for algorithm and all. And quick sort very important. Stations very important. These are unit wise, all units, 5 units from the subject, all scientists named algorithms. This last one, this one recently shooted, right? Stations very clearly explained here. Quicksort also explained very nicely and clearly, right? And here Mexort also explained very well. Performance, see here you have time complexity and space complexity are there. Put a box so that it will be writing tips to get more marks. C plus SP, where S stands for space, nothing but memory or space. P program. See, this is the formula. This is the time complexity formula. And C some constant is equal to C plus S. See, this is space complexity formula. S of P. Space of program is called C is a constant and SP space complexity, and here I wrote in this box time complexity formula, and theory I explained very clearly, so write accordingly. Okay, now I remove this. Where the space complexity of the algorithm, and second one is the time complexity, the equation, definition, and the full form, and you need to write two algorithms, any two. I have taken one example, algorithm for sum of two numbers, or previously I have taken algorithm to find a minimum number, any algorithm, very easy algorithm sum. So like that you need to write algorithm also, and we'll go back for binary search. This is the finding element. Given an array A of I is to L, means starting and end element of elements in non-decreasing order. This is algorithm. So you can follow those videos and pause them and write the points. Okay. So now we will see. This is the syllabus, and these are important questions. 16 I have given. 16. The 16th question is write an algorithm to solve towers of NI. Some questions are repeated. I have written all the questions, 99% from this only will get. So this is my mobile number. You can call me at any time or WhatsApp in 98491819 and 23. Write very well. All the best for the exams.